Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful crochet granny square. This is a very simple and easy procedure. This video is also for beginners, and I'm taking this medium yarn and hook size is 3.5 mm. You can use your favorite yarn or and hook as well.
Okay,
So I'm going to
we
start
are
my
going to
video.
have a yarn of size 3.5 mm, and the hook size is also going to have 3.5 mm, and we are going to create a beautiful and simple
First of
crochet
all,
granny square.
I'm going to make a
First
magic
of all,
ring.
we will make a ring magic ring that will be created like two fingers and like this. We have to make a cross here like this, and we will take the yarn from this
After making a magic circle
circle.
or magic ring, I have to
Now
make chain
pull
3,
this yarn a little bit like
then
this.
2 double crochet in the magic circle,
Now we will take the 3 chains. We will make here 3 chains, 2 double crochet in the magic circle, like this. Now 2
now 2
chains,
chains. You can use 3 chains as well
3
to
double crochet
enhance
in the magic circle.
the beauty of our square or
1,
corners. Then we will make
2,
3 more double crochet in the ring.
3. Now again
Again
make
2
the 2
chains,
chains, make the
3
3
double
more double
crochet in
crochet
the
in the
ring.
circle. 1, you can pull this from here like this. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to make another
2
2
chain,
chains. Now we have to
again
make
3 double
3
crochet
more
in the
double
ring.
crochet in the circle. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to repeat. We will make 2
Chain
chains
2.
and we will pull this
We have to
yarn
pull
from
this
here
yarn to tighten up the square.
like this. Now we will make a slip
Then we
stitch
will make
here
a slip stitch
to
on the
loop it up
third chain to end up the round.
like this. These are 4 corners of the granny square. Now we are going to make
Now chain 3,
3 chains,
double crochet in
double
4
crochet in all
chains.
the chains
We have to make
like
4 double
this.
crochet in 4 chains. Here
Now
we will
we have
consider
to
first 3 chains
increase one more double crochet
as
in
double
this chain
crochet
space
as well.
like this.
There must be 4 double
Chain
crochet
2.
on this round. Now
Now
chain 2,
we have to increase one more double crochet in this chain space for this side of the square.
double crochet in the ring
As you can see,
or
we
corner
can
chain
increase
space.
one more double crochet in this
Double
chain
crochet in
space.
all the
Now
chains.
double crochet in all the next chains. Now we have to increase one more double crochet
Now
in this
double
chain
crochet in the
space
chain space.
like this.
Chain 2,
2 chain. We have to increase one more double crochet in the chain space for this side of the
double
granny
crochet in the
square.
chain space.
Now double crochet
Again Double
for
crochet on all the next chains.
double crochet in all the
We
next
have to repeat the
chains.
same procedure till the end of the round.
One more double crochet in this chain space, two chains, one more double crochet in this chain space, double crochet in all the next chains,
This is a very
one
simple and
increase
easy
double
procedure to
crochet
make
in
a
chain space,
granny square
chain 2,
or
one more
basic
increased
square.
double crochet in this chain space. Now
After
slip stitch
completing the round 3 by making a
here to
slip
lock it up.
stitch at
Here
last
is
to
a
join the sides,
simple granny square, and we will going to
I have to
increase
make
it
3
by
chains
making the same procedure as we
and
done
double
before.
crochet in all the next
3
chains
chains,
till the
double
end
crochet in all the chains.
or till the chain space.
Now we are going to make one double crochet,
Now double
extra
crochet
double
in
crochet
next
here.
chain,
Now we are going to make 3 chains
chain
here,
2 or chain 3,
3 chains here, one double crochet
double crochet
in
in
this
the next
chain.
chain space.
Now
Now double crochet in all the next
double crochet
chains.
in all the next chains. One increased double crochet in this chain space, 3 chains,
Double crochet in the chain space, then chain
double
3
crochet
and double crochet in the chain space
extra,
again to make a
and
corner here.
double crochet in
Now
all the
again double crochet in all
chains,
the next chains.
and
So
repeat
basically we
the
have to
whole
repeat the
process
same procedure
all
till the
over
end
the
of the
granny square.
square.
Then I'll show you what are the final results. Here is the final look of our
This is the
granny
final
square.
look of
You
our
can
square
customize
after
it
3
with
rounds.
your own size.
And this is very
Now I'm
simple
going
and
to
easy
add the
procedure.
green
If you
color
want
in
to
this.
have another color on your square,
We
so
add
let me tell
another
you
color
how to make it. First of
in
all, join the 2 sides and
granny
we'll
square
make
like
3
this.
chains.
Now we will take this color with
Now by taking these yarn with
this. I'm going to take
or
this yarn with
stitches,
these
double
type of
crochet in all
crochets
the chains.
to make simply. We have to repeat all the previous procedure. Three
We have
chains.
to repeat the same previous
Now
procedure
we
as
are
we
going to
done
cut
in the
this extra yarn
3rd round.
here to look it
We will
better,
cut the extra
to make
yarn
it
here.
better. Now double crochet
Chain
in this
3,
chain
double
space,
crochet in the chain space. Now we
and
have to
double
make
crochet
double
all
crochet in all
these
the next
chains.
chains. So here is the final look after attaching
Simply
another
just
color with the
make a double
square.
crochet on
Slip
all
stitch
the
on the 3rd
chains.
chain.
Personally, I like the red and green combo. It's looks so nice. Just look at this. This is so beautiful and so nice together. like this. We have to complete the square, then I'll show you how it looks like. Corner point, we will make one double crochet, two chain, three chain, sorry, one more double crochet, and again double crochet on all the chains. We have to repeat all the process till the end. Corner point, it looks like this. After reaching the corner point, the same procedure that we done before, that is double crochet in chain space, chain 3, double crochet in same chain space, double crochet on all the next chains, like this. Here is our granny square. After reaching the end point, we have to lock it by using slip stitch. We will slip stitch at the end of the double crochet or third chain of the double crochet, like this. If you want to add more colors, or if you want to repeat again the red color, you have to take it from the down and add like this, and repeat all the procedure that we done before. Nothing new in this, and we can make a beautiful crochet
As you
granny
can
square
see, this is
according
very
to
simple
your
and easy
desired
procedure.
size.
Now if
This
you
is
want to
done.
take the previous color
I
again,
hope you will
then
like,
make a slip stitch
share and subscribe my
and
channel,
use this
and
color now. 3
keep
chains,
sharing, keep supporting.
double
Your
crochet in
support
all the chains,
means a lot to me.
and
Thank you so
will
much.
repeat the same procedure
After repeating all the
till the
previous
end. I hope
process,
you will like this
we will
video
reach
and
at
share
the
it with
end
your
point.
friends and family
We
who
will
want to
slip
learn the
stitch
basic stitches, basic crochet.
in third
And for
chain
more
of
videos, stay
this double
tuned, stay
crochet,
connected. Thank you so much.
like this. This is the final look of our granny square. I hope you will like our video.